Namaste. Welcome to part 1 of the Ajanta Pumlinga Prakaranam series. Today we will be covering Akarantaha Pumlinga Shabdaha. This is a review of each case along with their English meanings. Akarantaha Pumlingaha Rama Shabdaha. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha. Ramam Ramau Raman. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha. Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha. Ramasya Ramayoho Rameshu. He Rama, He Ramau, He Ramaha. Akarantaha Pumlingaha Deva Shabdaha. Devaha Devau Devaha. Devam Devau Devan. Devena Devabhyam Devaihi. Devaya Devabhyam Devebhyaha. Devat Devabhyam Devebhyaha. Devasya Devayoho Devanam. Deve Devayoho Deveshu. He Deva, He Devau, He Devaha. Akarantaha Pumlingaha Mukunda Shabdaha. Mukundaha Mukundau Mukundaha. Mukundam Mukundau Mukundan. Mukundena Mukundabhyam Mukundaihi. Mukundaya Mukundabhyam Mukundebhyaha. Mukundat Mukundabhyam Mukundebhyaha. Mukundasya Mukundayoho Mukundanam. Mukunde Mukundayoho Mukundeshu. He Mukunda, He Mukundau, He Mukundaha. Akarantaha Pumlingaha Shiva Shabdaha. Shivaha Shivau Shivaha. Shivam Shivau Shivan. Shivena Shivabhyam Shivaihi. Shivaya Shivabhyam Shivebhyaha. Shivat Shivabhyam Shivebhyaha. Shivasya Shivayoho Shivanam. Shive Shivayoho Shiveshu. He Shiva, He Shivau, He Shivaha. Akarantaha Pumlingaha Hara Shabdaha. Haraha Harau Haraha. Haram Harau Haran. Harena Harabhyam Haraihi. Haraya Harabhyam Harebhyaha. Harat Harabhyam Harebhyaha. Harasya Harayoho Haranam. Hare Harayoho Hareshu. He Hara, He Harau, He Haraha. These are the words we have learned today. Ramaha means Lord Rama. Devaha meaning God. Mukundaha Lord Vishnu. Shivaha Lord Shiva. And Haraha, which also means Lord Shiva. Dhanyavadaha.